Stephanie Abrahams has been an incredibly famous violinist. She gets multiple sclerosis, she has to stop playing the violin, and her life is totally shattered by it. She is actually looking at a very black future, completely robbed of the thing that she lived for, which was music. So she, I think, is encouraged to go to see a psychiatrist.
Dr. Feldman is this psychiatrist who has been found by Stephanie Abrams' husband to try and help her get through this massive crisis in her life.
She thinks she's dealing with everything perfectly well, and through various meetings with the psychiatrist we find that she's not doing as well as she thought. In fact, she's doing rather badly.
The play charts the sort of development over 6 sessions of their relationship, really, their professional relationship. He's proactive and challenging and determined to help her through this huge crisis in her life.
Fundamentally, she also believes that nobody can understand quite what it is she's had to give up, and I'm very sympathetic to that.
It's a journey which I think ultimately is, for an audience, cathartic and uplifting. And the journey includes a lot of wit and humour and badinage.
It is very sad, and it is quite brutal at times, but the flip side of it is very funny. She has a sarcastic wit, which I personally find funny, and fortunately the audience do too.
You can see Duet for One
at Theatr Clwyd from the 3rd of September.